So how will you update the wuchang fallen feathers from fitgirl repack? If you are facing these issues, then these patches will try to fix this game. So first of all, let me give you a disclaimer that those who have a 2 GB graphics card like me should not even try this game, because it will not run on them. At least you should have a GPU with 4 GB DDR5. So first of all, you have to select this update. After that, we open it, and you have to run this setup. And by saying yes or OK to it. After that, next and then next. Here you have to tell the game where your game is installed, like I am telling you by opening the folder. You have to select it, and after that, next. You have to select the third option here, only update one. After doing this, you have to click next. After that, this is the next update. We also have to extract this and go to its folder and open it. And after running this setup from here, we have to click OK and then click Next, and then Next. And from here you have to browse and tell where your game is installed. After telling this, you have to click Next. And here you have to select the third option, Only for Updates. And this way your update will be installed. So after this, if some more updates come in future, their method will also be the same. You just have to try that this update is the same, like I have done this show. If there is an update of this creator, then the method will be exactly the same. So you can follow this video again.